Hi, today we'll be reviewing the Griffin PowerBlock Wireless Charging Pad. Let's get started. The PowerBlock Wireless Charging Pad is a 15-watt wireless charging base for your iPhone or Samsung device capable of induction charging. The exterior of the charging pad features a felt textured surface to prevent scratches on your device, while also giving a clean, understated look. The charger works by simply placing the back of your phone or tablet onto the surface. The LED indicators on the bottom of the charging pad will light up once the phone is charging, making it easy to indicate when the charger is functioning correctly. The wireless charger will also work with smartphone cases as long as it's less than 3mm in thickness. I found the wireless charging pad to be extremely efficient and fast in charging my phone, and I've had no issues whatsoever. The simplistic rectilinear design is stylish and compact when placed on my work desk at home. The padded feet of the pad gives extra grip, which I found to be a very intuitive feature. In conclusion, the PowerBlock Wireless Charging Pad is a step in the right direction for those looking to upgrade their current device charging setup. The clean, utilitarian aesthetics allow the charging pad to be placed pretty much anywhere in your home without feeling out of place. With a simple design and easy-to-use functionality, the charging pad is the only wireless charger you'll ever need. The PowerBlock Wireless Charging Pad is available now and can be purchased on BrandsWalk.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to see a specific product reviewed for future content, please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.